it is very critical that on your website that you list out how are you different, your unique selling proposition. Because there's more and more people are coming on your website now and they're trying to figure out how are you different than your competitors. So the easier it is for them to know how you're different, the more likely they're going to buy from you. So let me give you an example here. If you go on brockwindows.com, and let's say you're in the market looking for windows and doors, once you get on this website, it is super clear how they're different. Over 85,000 installations, 29 years, more than 100 employees, serving Greater Toronto area, and thousands of happy customers. So this is engineered to tell people subliminally, hey, we're different. Then they will drill down deeper onto the website. And this really prevents price shoppers too. So for example, if you're a funeral home and there's somebody down the street who are charging only $4.95 for direct cremation, and you're charging $1,500. But we all know we're not comparing apples to apples. You gotta list it on your website again, how are you different? So make sure on your website, ideally above the fold. So above the fold is this. Right before they scroll down, they already see how are you different. And this should increase your conversions, phone conversions, and people already know when they call you, they're not price shopping anymore. Have fun.